Welcome to the closing press conference. We are here with our head coach, Coach John Reyes. Coach John, tough game, especially at this crucial stretch of the conference. Despite Macau pulling your defense out and testing your coverages, your group stayed disciplined and found the rhythm offensively. Now, how would you assess your team's progress at this stage?
Well, um, compared to the last game where we shot 10% from the three-point line, at least we made 30% of our three-point shots. For me, that's a little bit of progress. We were able to solve our offensive issues from the last game. However, we gotta give credit to Macau. They moved the ball very well. They attacked us very well, and players like Chong Iriel is really a tough matchup for us because we don't have Gio Alalo, whose job that is. So we just kept reminding the guys during the huddles, during timeouts, even when they were making runs, to just grind it out. And I think in the end, that's what happened. We made a few key stops that led to the victory. But again, we were lucky. Leung was missed several open threes that he normally makes. But that's basketball. Last game, kami naman ang hindi makashoot ng 3 points namin. So I guess that's just the way the ball bounces.
Thank you, Coach John. We now open the floor for questions from our fans and press.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, can you describe ng performance ni BTR tonight? It was very active on both ends. Laking goal sa ito tonight.
Yeah, it's no secret that Brandon's a big part of our game. He's normally our indicator if he's playing well, if he has a healthy plus-minus differential, then normally, well, most of the time our team wins. So you saw that today because of all the attention, the gravity on ball, and our guards, our shooters like Calvin and Jordan. Brandon really gets a lot of opportunities. So that's one. But the big value for us defensively is his ability to switch out as well. So his ability to defend big guys, but also his ability to switch on smaller guys. So we always talk about him staying on the court, not getting into foul trouble, so that he can play extended minutes.
Brandon, can you describe your performance today, apart from the toss of Coach Jordan in your game tonight?
Just did my job. Like Coach says, staying on the court is the biggest thing. A lot of the things I pride myself on aren't really found in this stat sheet. So, I know that that's my role in this team. So, more than anything else I did tonight, just being on the court, being in the right position, getting stops when we need to. That's what I, pride myself on.
Yeah, but what Brandon said, it doesn't show up in this stat sheet, but we have our own hard stats, our hustle stats, and I think Brandon led the team tonight in keeping the ball alive, in offensive rebound touches, not necessarily getting the offensive rebound, but the offensive rebound touches are important to us. We track that, and that's an important part of what he brings to the team.
Coach, you said after the Colbert's game in the last 3 weeks you had to go by the skin of your teeth. Tonight, same scenario. Alam ko what's your concern sa inyo, but would that also help you moving forward down the line?
Well, hopefully, in the end, a win is a win, right? But again, the other teams had a pretty easy time against this team, and we had to grind it out until the last, basically 1 minute. Perhaps that can be chalked down to playing back-to-back games. The fatigue from just playing last Wednesday, but now we have a good break coming up. So hopefully we can rest, recover, get fully healthy for the home stretch. We have our last 3 games, last 3 or 4 games. So we have to close up.
Brandon Lee. Brandon, Coach Chot had a meeting among with you players inside the dugout after the conversion loss. Did that rub up to you or to come up aggressively today?
I mean, yeah, that helps. He motivates us for sure. But coach is always telling us, just be a pro. This is our job. We have to go out there and execute. That's what we get paid to do. So,
Chichismis ka pa kasi.
we know what we have to do because we've done it for how many conferences now. So it's just us having the willingness to go out there and do it, and not letting anything else distract us. So obviously coming off a loss, you play with a little extra juice, and I think that kind of helped us get over the hump today.
Ito Coach Chismis. Si Ronde Oris Jefferson, di ba? Ang kanya just last yung pagdating niya rito and visited the area.
Well, he's basically here for the Jolas Cup. Our team manager runs an annual basketball camp / tournament in Cagayan de Oro. And Ronde has been doing the rounds for the company as part of the community building initiatives of PLDT and Smart. So Ronde really is the face of that program. So it was natural for him to continue that, being the ambassador really of our grassroots initiatives. That's why he came. And tamang-tama, dumating siya ng umaga, diretso siya sa Navy para mag-golf muna, and then dumaan siya, then he went straight to practice after that. And I thought it lifted the energy, the spirits of the guys, although we didn't do much in practice, we just did our breathing exercises, and we gave them a lot of free shooting drills, free shooting time. But I think just the presence of Ronde, talking to these guys, but he also had a pretty long discussion with Bon. His gravitas and leadership is a big part of our team.
Sana po. Si Roger po yung injured.
Yeah, Roger Pugoy is supposed to be on minutes restriction, but he was forced to play a lot of minutes the last game, and he was feeling a lot of soreness yesterday in practice, so we decided to sit him down so that he'd be fully healthy for the stretch run.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you everyone. Congratulations, Coach Chot and Brandon.
Thank you.